Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 Chevy Silverado. Stock number is 18F343A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and a brush guard. A look down the passenger side, you have the blacked out Raceline alloy wheels. Taking a look at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Center console is folded up, as you can see here, making it a third seat in the front row, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around the back end. Rear backup sensors, factory trailer hitch on the back. We're going to take a look at the bed now. You do have a bed liner here, keeping the bed nice and safe, as well as the soft cover on top. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input. Dual climate control and your 4-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Silverado on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.